welcome back to another video of Ducky Gaming. In today's video, we're here with Kreek. Say hi.
Man, it's been 6 months we haven't posted, bro. Why? Why?
Honestly, summer's been a little bit hard. Honestly, there's a lot more reasons.
So we're gonna be
I started school, but he starts soon. So
he started school.
I started school.
And yeah, but in today's video, we're gonna be what's it called? Having a house tour.
Yep.
So
and we are gonna be posting more rec room videos. Man, wait for me. We're gonna be posting more rec room videos for absolutely no reason, but because we have a house, as you can see now. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna go in front of you, dude.
Alright. What should we stop first? Upstairs or upstairs?
Let's do the garage because it's open already. Alright, so here we got the garage. Pretty nice. Some boxes, but we're good. Oh wait, I didn't see this. Wait. There's an attic. Dang. Oh, okay, so just pretend we knew this already. But there's an attic. There's a random hole in the roof, and you can go sky watching with a tree in the way. You can climb on top of the roof, and then you can... Frick. That's not what I meant to do. Oh, no.
Oh, no. Ah.
I fell off. Oh, no. But you can sky watch.
Okay,
even though there's a tree in the way. And when you go down, let's go through the front door. When you go through the front door, you are introduced by this nice area. There's also these because as you can see, we live in the forest. So we have some hunting stuff. So just in case we want to hunt some deer or something like that. Got all that. And you got a shovel for no reason.
Yo, hold on.
Huh? Oh, yo, chill. Put that down. Yo, I don't trust you. No, put that down. Put that down, boy. Put that down, boy. Put that down. All right. And we got when you go in, you are introduced by this whole area. So first, let's give a tour of the this is the hangout area. This is the hangout area where we can talk, do some meetings, do some random stuff because we plan on 4 people living here, me, Kreek, and then 2 other people that are offline, which is Molly and our friend Raid.
Follow me.
And hold on, listen. This is Kreek's room. Chair, nice chair. Red LEDs, TV.
Where's the LEDs, bro? I don't see no LEDs. Whatever you say.
I don't know, but it's red. Then you got the nice bed. Pretty cool. You even got a balcony. When his door is open, he has the balcony. We'll go check out the pool in a little. But then we got his closet, a really big closet. It's a walk-in closet.
I'm about to hide bodies in here, bro.
Yeah. Whoa! And then we got his bathroom. And then when we walk out, here is the main room, the living room. And then we got the kitchen along with the second living room, smaller living room. Then we got the kitchen. Some plates are there. Some meat on the... Why is the meat there? Oh man. Oh, that's ham. Ham is still meat, right? I can't get out. I can't get out. After some... Oh, come on. It happened again. Okay, we got the knife. I solved it. But Then we got a closet next to the kitchen. And then we, yes.
Why
Put
did
the
they
shovel
like?
outside.
Oh, no, wait. Why did they not like and subscribe before I had to put the shovel?
Hmm?
They didn't like and subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Is that
Yep.
cheating?
Better like and subscribe or... I'm gonna tag that out. I'm tagging that out. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I accidentally cussed. I did not mean that. It's just I'm stuttering and I accidentally said a bad word. But anyways, you better like and sub or he's gonna hit you with that shovel. Hit with you with that shovel. Oh my god. Hold on. Alright, my mom was just calling me, I think. But let's see. Oh, we got the dining room here. Got a few seats if in case we have any guests. And possibly they could even live here, but they have to sleep in someone's room. And then got that closet that I showed you guys. Then that's the garage. Another door to leads to the garage.
Man,
This is
show them the garage.
like if someone's working on a car, then if they need to go to the bathroom like an emergency, they just go and then they got a emergency bathroom right there.
That's gonna take like 5 miles away.
Huh?
Now it's time for the upstairs. Show the upstairs.
Downstairs.
What the freak?
This is the upstairs. Hold on, let's show them the pool first. There's 2 doors, but I'm just gonna go through the open one. Yep. And that's why he always dies first. There's stairs. Okay. He went to do something. But there's a pool. You immediately drown, but if I don't fly, I drown. But here we are. Thank you to flying. We even got some floaties. I don't think you could sit in them. But we got a hangout area, so if anyone like wants to hang out, we got the campfire, and we got some marshmallows. Yeah, and the marshmallows are always awesome. Then we have this board. If we want to write something for like a special event, then we will write that event on there. Then when we go down here, and this is probably like the coolest spot that we... Okay, look who's back. And look who... He just left the room, but okay. So, this is like the coolest thing we have. We have this like water hangout spot, and if you like to play basketball, which a lot of us that live here like to play basketball, so we would have this like basketball court floating on the ocean, and see if I can score. Did that even go in? Wait, hold on. I don't think that went in. I didn't hear nothing. I think that went in. Went in like 3 times all those times. Oh, yes. Man, I keep getting stuck in my tab. In my watch. But yeah, that's the coolest thing we have in the mansion. And then... when we go back inside... he's outside in the front because he just joined. But anyways...
I'm back!
I saw.
I'm back in my...
Alright, he's back. So, I already took them on a tour to the floating basketball court. So this is the downstairs. We have we have pool here, and then we have a like 2nd floor living room. This is like the 1st floor actually, living room.
You gotta show that, bro. I'm doing the video ideas right now.
Oh, guys, don't. Okay, this is our friend Raid's room. That's his bathroom. And then I'm gonna show you guys something cool in a second. And then this is our friend Molly's room, and that is her bathroom. Also my bathroom as well, because we share. Because this is my room. Greek has the best room upstairs. And then got the gym. And then we got the downstairs bathroom if needed. If you ever have a guest or something. And then yo, chill! And then we have that special people only. And then you got the movie room, big TV, popcorn, and soda, lemonade, whatever there is. Yo, chill! You gotta put that away. And there's another entrance to it. But yeah, basically that's all. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't let me count. But we got 6. So if anyone would ever want to join our house, like if anyone ever wants to visit, and also you guys can visit. If you have Rec Room, comment down below, and we'll try to get as many people as possible. But you have to friend me. I'm gonna put my username right there. For a few seconds. You know, I'm just gonna put it to the side. So in here. So it's gonna be up there. If any of you guys need it throughout the video, I'm gonna leave it there for the rest of the video. But yeah, that's basically all in the house.
Yo.
Yeah, what's up? Where are you? Are you downstairs, man? Oh, and here are the stairs as well. Huh.
How do you spell scary?
Hmm?
How do you spell scary?
Let me put it in chat for you.
Oh.
Did I put it in chat? Wait, hold on.
Sorry, guys, we're trying to do
There, I put it in the chat. No, I'm bullying for that. But anyways, that's the whole entire house. So again, if any of you want to visit the house sometime or visit us, then comment down in the comments, and we'll try to get as many people as possible. My username is up there. It'll be there for a few seconds. Well, until the video ends. But yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna put his user under mine. So with that said,
stay tuned for another video.
Stay tuned for another video, which might be today if we're not busy at all. But if we don't post today, we'll definitely post tomorrow, and we might have Molly or Raid or both of them on. Don't worry, I'll convince them.
Yeah, bro, you know what'd be crazy? Should I leak it? So should I leak it?
Nah, dude, be patient, man. You know, they gotta keep the tension waiting.
Yeah,
But
video.
so search up if you have Rec Room, search up our usernames, which is right up there in the corner, and then yeah, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell also. You can add us, and we will try to add as many people as possible. So if we don't get to you, really sorry. We'll try to get to you though. So yeah, and then we'll add you to the party.
Oh, yeah.
Then we'll get you to this house so you can look around and meet the whole group on from YouTube. And then
No, wait,
yeah, what's up?
wait, guys.
You want to say something?
We've been
then?
having we haven't been a secret. Right? We have a group, right?
Mhm.
Phantom Warriors. We've been having a secret.
Yep.
Because we've been ghost hunting.
Yeah.
And please.
Yeah, I have a TikTok on Phantom Warriors, but it never lets me post. But if you guys want to go to my main TikTok account, then you guys can go to that. And put my username over there to the side. And
you can even join our like ghost hunting, like
yeah, you can even join our ghost hunting. But yeah, so and I'll also put do you want me to put your TikTok?
Go ahead. By the way, guys, put your notifications on.
So that you know whenever we post a video or something. So again, with that said, you can add us, you can follow us, you can do whatever, and we also will be posting some ghost hunting videos on here, on Roblox mostly, but yeah.
We should try and Raccoon.
Yeah, we should try.
Raccoon will be crazy. But yeah.
All right. With that said, we'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a good day, good night, good afternoon. So see you in the next one. Turn on your notifications to know if we post any videos. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one. You're gonna say bye?
See you, games. See ya. See you, games.
See ya, guys.